Hi there. Welcome to OnceHub video tutorial. I'm Adnan from OnceHub support team. Today we are going to learn how to use shareable link option for your booking calendar. To quickly share your booking calendar link, you will need to log into your OnceHub account and click on the booking calendars in the left side column, which will take you to the booking calendars lobby. Here you will need to locate the booking calendar that you would like to share and click on share button next to it. In the pop-up screen, you will see a few options. To quickly share your booking calendar, just click, copy and close and paste it into an email, message or your signature. You can also download a QR code to print on your business card or marketing material for quick access. If you'd like to have more control, you can use a one-time link by checking the box for one-time use. It's good for one booking only, so client won't be able to book multiple times using the same link. For campaign tracking, head to the UTM section by checking the UTM parameters. Here you can add the source, medium, campaign you want to track. A unique URL will be generated. Just copy the modified link or download a QR code. And if you'd like booking directly from your website, you can grab the embed code from the website embed section and add it to your site. This gives your client the convenience to schedule a meeting with you right from your website. Thanks for watching.